Alright guys, welcome. I'm gonna be explaining um what I promised you guys. So I'm gonna be teaching you the framework I use for Forex industries, and it's very powerful. And this framework is gonna help you scale. I'm gonna also share most of my strategies I use that's gonna help you scale your campaign as a Google advertiser, or as an advertiser generally. So first thing foremost, Google doesn't accept ads. Google and YouTube, of course, Google is owned by YouTube. They don't accept ads run by Forex industries. So what do I mean? If you want to run ad out there and you come out and say, if you want to learn Forex ad, join my academy, join my training, they are going to flag your account. They are going to flag your account ASAP. So how do you bypass this kind of thing? And here are most of the results I generated for a client. Here is I spent about $196 to get 1,700 leads to with just 11 cent CPL, and over 24,000 views on the YouTube creative. So if you want to get a result like this, then you have to pay attention to this video, because I'll be sharing most of the strategies I use. So first and foremost, like I said, Google don't accept Forex niche products. So if you want to run ads on the Forex industry, there are some certain things you need to know. You need to be smart. That's number one. You need to be smart, and you don't need to play by the rules. If you play by the rules, you are going to get knocked out. So the first thing, first most, you need to be smart. You need to be smart. I'm just gonna be as fast as I can so that the video is gonna be short. You need to be smart. You don't need to play by the rules. You don't need to play by the rules. If you play by the rules, you're gonna get knocked out. And another thing, when I mean being smart here, it's not just being smart generally. It's being smart with your copy, being smart with your creative, being smart with your funnel, and being smart on how you strategize the campaigns to maximize conversion. So the first thing foremost, I talked about 4 things: campaign, creative, funnel, and campaign, creative, funnel, I think. Yeah, so you need to be smart in these 3 things. I think it was 4. You need to be smart on campaigns, you need to be smart with the creatives you are going to be using for these ads, and you need to be smart on the funnel. So coming to the campaign, the kind of campaigns you love to create for Forex industry, it's a YouTube campaign. And creating a YouTube campaign, it's very simple. If you're watching this video, it means you already know how to create YouTube campaigns. But this time around, you're not just going to create the YouTube campaign and launch it generally just like you do on other ads. No. Okay, yeah, I talked about copies. That's the ad copies. Yeah, ad copies very important. Your video creative, because ad copies is part of creative. Well, let me just use the word video creative. So the first thing first most is don't start with a Google search campaign. So one of the issues people have with their Google ad accounts, it's getting flagged at first. When you launch an ad and you get flagged, it's going to reduce your Google Ads accountability. So what do I mean? Let's say I just created a new Google account now, and all of a sudden I'm getting flagged for no reason. If I do so, it's going to reduce my Google Ads performance. So if you are starting with a Google search ad which has a very low volume of search of Forex industry, it has a very low volume of Forex industry. So going
Reach the right audience no matter where.
Google is even running ads on YouTube. That's how powerful advertising is. I want to teach you something. We are going to come to this section as well. But for now, let's just hop in here. I'm going to also talk about the targeting. So these are like the 5 keywords, the 5 frameworks I'm going to be giving you for free on this section. So I'm going to be giving you the 5 keywords, the 5 frameworks that I use for to get results for forex industries. And you can also use this result for your own good. You can also use this result on other niches if you want. So like I said, you don't start with Google search campaign. When you start with Google search campaign, you are going to you have 60% of getting your account flagged. What do I mean? If you want to if people search for Google ads for forex trading on Google, your ad is likely to show. Most of the things that's going to be showing there are prop firms websites, their SEO optimizations and all the rest of that. So you're going to see bloggers websites, you're going to see forex websites, you're going to see forex prop firms websites, and before your ad gets impression on this competitive ranking, it's going to take a long time. So I would recommend you to start with what? YouTube campaigns. And you're not going to just start with YouTube campaigns and launch it just like that. So I'm going to be heading straight towards the video creative. So which kind of video creative do you want to use for your ads? So you want to use a video creative that says opposite of, you want to use opposite of the keyword, opposite of the forex keyword. Yeah, emphasis on the forex keyword. So you're going to use creatives. So these are the kind of things you're going to be telling your clients for when they are creating video creative for you. If you come out on YouTube and say, hey, you don't want to learn forex trading, the people that does this are forex companies, forex company prop firms, and they are also smart about it. They don't start outrightly. Let's see if we can search. I don't want the video to take time. I would have searched for forex keywords on Google, on YouTube, so you see a video related to what I'm explaining. So they don't just come out and say, hey, you want to learn forex trading, click on this link and get started. No, hey, Google is going to flag your account. So you're going to use opposite of the forex keyword, and you are emphasizing on the same thing. So let me give you an idea. The first goal is, what is the goal of the campaign? The goal of the campaign is to what? Is to drive. The goal of the campaign is to drive conversions for people who want to what? Who want to learn forex trading. What I'm telling you, what I'm sharing with you, I use it. We generated about how many leads? About 50 leads for a client using this framework I'm teaching you, and the client made, it was a high product offer. It was like the product was $150 each. Yeah, we generated 50 leads and the client made three sales instantly with just 50 leads. So on that 50 leads, we spent nothing less than $50 to generate these leads, and the client is making 3 sales of a $150 offer. That is $150 is the training, is like the the premium membership to learn the forex trading. So, and that's like $450. That's like $400 ROI. And I was able to bypass. I was able to give such results because I followed the same framework I'm teaching you now. So first of all, yeah, you want to use the video creative that is opposite of the forex keyword. And if you want to really understand what I mean by the opposite of the forex keyword, you need to write down. We need to know the goal of the campaign, the goal of what do you want to achieve, what did the client pay you for. So if you are running the ads for yourself, what do you want to achieve? You want to achieve what? Conversions for people who want to what? Learn forex trading, learn, acquire high income skill that pays in dollars. So this is the major two goal of what we are doing. We want to learn, we want to reach out to people, we want to get conversions from people who have passion for forex trading, people also who have passion for what? Learning high income skill that will fetch them dollars because of the high current rate in dollars. So these are the two words. So these are the two major goals that we want to achieve. So when I say don't use opposite of the forex keyword, it simply means that there are other ways to do this. So, and the first other way is what? To define the goal of the campaign, which we just did in the number 2. So now we know the goal of our campaign. The goal of our campaign is to reach out to people who want to learn forex trading, and also to reach out to people who want to learn a skill that will pay them in dollars. So the two keyword here is learning forex trading and what? A skill that will pay you in dollars. So how do you come in? You come in from this second angle. There are other goals you can mention. Yeah, you can. I'm just giving you an example because I want you to divest about your thinking. That's why when you want to run an ads, you don't just jump into launching campaigns. You give yourself 48 hours of research framework. You need to document the journey of what you want to start. If you cannot document the journey, you cannot find what works. And when things is working for you, you don't even know where it's working from because you don't have a strategy, you don't have a framework. So that's why you need to get a Google Doc file, create a game plan for your clients, and structure the framework you're going to be using. If it works, good. You document that framework, you start it, and then replicate it for other clients. If it doesn't work, you find out why it's not working, you tweak it, and then you keep moving. So now we are going to be using this keyword, pay in dollars. Why? Because I said we are going to be using opposite of what the forex keyword. So if you make more research, you're going to be getting about 5 or 6 more goals that we can use, that we intend on using, that we intend on achieving for this campaign. So but I'm going to be using the pay in dollars keyword. So now the primary keyword that your client is going to be using for their video creative is what? Pay in dollars, pay in dollars, pay in dollars. What do I mean? Hello guys, do you want to this is let's say this is 2025 or 2024 is coming to an end, and I bet you should know what the current dollar rate is now. What if I show you a sustainable, legit way on how you can learn a simple digital skill that will pay you in dollars, sitting right from your house, and just what? Spending 2 hours implementing what I'm going to be teaching you. Does that sound cool to you? If it does, just click on any link around this video, click on the learn more button, and it will take you to a page where you're going to meet me face to face, or where you're going to meet the or where you can sign up for the training that will give you this information I just promised you. Do that right immediately. I'm just like crafting something for the top of my head. I'm just like giving you an idea of how you can craft content from this word pay in dollars keyword. So if you want to give because of course you cannot run ads without having, you need a copywriter in your team, or you need to be a copywriter, or you need to have a copywriter friend to help you generate keywords, to help you generate ad creative copies. if you want to really maximize your Google ad campaigns. So this is the keyword you're going to be giving the copywriter to use to get a series of ad creative for you, specifically for the Forex industry. So we can get people who want to learn, because anyone that wants to learn Forex trading wants to learn how to get paid in dollars. So this is the most ultimate goal. But right now we are not doing Forex trading, because when we are doing Forex trading, our accounts might get flagged. So we are doing pay in dollars, learning a digital skill. Forex trading is a digital skill. I don't know if you understand. So when we use this pay in dollar keyword, we craft series of creatives that will teach people how to acquire a skill that will teach them how to what? Get paid in dollars. So the two things that this keyword is going to do for us is, number one, it's going to reduce our CPL, because everybody wants to earn in dollars. Two, it's going to let us run our ad run for a long duration of time. Yes, you can start with learn Forex trading, and your ad can run for 1 month, and when the ad picks up, when the ad is firing up, Google will flag it, and then you get stalked or you get depressed. So if you want your ad to run for a long term, it needs to be aligned in what Google approved. And if you've watched, so yeah,
full sizes from all.
So if you watch all these are Google policies, what Google accepts and what Google doesn't accept. If you watch all these videos, and as an advertiser, this is also what you need to take out your time to do. So if you watch all these videos, you understand what Google promotes and what Google what the policies on Google ads and all the rest of that. So if you get these things straight, you see that Google always advise you to promote what will benefit their users, and acquiring a high income skill is something that will benefit their users. I don't know if you understand. So from this concept, we can achieve the pay in dollars keyword concept. So I'm just going to stop there. So right now, coming down to the funnel, which is going to do partially of the two jobs. So right now, the first thing, let me just recap a little bit. The first campaign you always love to start with is YouTube campaign. And while starting with YouTube campaigns, I think I should just make it full so most people understand. YouTube campaigns, always start with low budget. Yeah, start with low budget. No, let's just say start with $5 to $20, depending on what you want to target. And if you want to really get another massive result, I would love you to connect your YouTube campaign, your YouTube channel to your Google ad account, so that Google will also see what the kind of channel you are promoting the ads with. So let's just get down to it. So now the funnel section, because I want to round up. I don't want the video to take a lot of time. I'm giving you a framework, so it's now left for you to now make deeper research on everything I just mentioned, and you see that you're going to get a strategy that's going to be working for you. So now coming down to the funnel, which kind of funnel are we going to deploy? We've bypassed the Forex keyword from the creative, which is the most important factor in your Google advertising. Is the content you put out there that you want Google to promote for you. So which is what the video creative. So when we've bypassed the video creative, we've bypassed almost 80% of what is going to cause our accounts to get flagged. So I'm going to give you two methods to try. First method I want you to try is for you to know what works for you. But for me specifically, the method that I've been using, or that we used to put the result I just told you about, to get the $450 ROI with just $50 ad spend, and the ad was even on a testing phase. I was so shocked. That's why I had to share the the framework with you, so that you can deploy it on your own businesses and see what works. So what I used, I also used opposite of what the Forex keyword on my funnel. So the two types of funnel you can create is to create a funnel. Of course, you know what a funnel is: your landing page and all the whole content that will be on the process between the clicking of the ad, the CTA button from the YouTube ads to landing to your funnel, which is your WhatsApp DM, your email list. So all those things are called funnel. So you are going to create a funnel that also talks about that talks about learning a high income skill that will pay you in dollars. That will pay you in dollars. That's the number one. Or create a funnel that states forex trading and proof of people and proof of individuals who has registered for the forex trading. So this is the kind of two funnels I would love you to test and see what works. So the first one is creating a funnel that talks about learning a high income skill that will pay you in dollars. So doing this, you can also attach what? I'm gonna be making this I'll be uploading this on my YouTube channel, and I'll make this link accessible for everybody. So I'll also upload this framework on the description so that you can also see it for yourself. I also upload my WhatsApp link so you can reach out to me whenever you want as well, if you need more help and others and that. So like I was saying, you're also going to attach forex results as testimonials. You can attach forex results as testimonials in this first funnel, and it will make sense. And this is what we did. Okay, no, I did not attach I attached forex testimonial, and I used the VSL. Okay, so this is I'm going to give you three funnels: VSL, which consists of headline, VSL, and CTA. So this is the three funnels that I'm going to give you to test. So look at the one I used to get that result. I used the VSL funnel strategy. So this strategy talked about the headline, which indicates what in this headline I combined these two things. Is a new way Nigerians can earn in dollars with just a simple skill. So doing this, I've combined the earning in dollars funnel strategy, and I also combined this. So where I now use this one was in the VSL video. So, and another thing I found out as a pro on Google Ads is Google tends to pay less attention to videos that talks about what they don't really promote than content that talks about it. What do I mean? If you come to your landing page and start saying that keyword, because what scans our funnel when we launch campaign is a bot, and this bot scans keywords. So when they come, like I told you, if you watch all these videos, you understand what I mean perfectly. See, destination requirements, Google advertising policy. This destination requirement alone is gonna give you a brief understanding of what I'm talking about. So Google scans these things with a bot, and this bot scans keywords. So if you are using forex trading on the copy of your sales page or your registration page or your landing page, and this bot that scans our ads for policy reviews scans it, it's likely going to flag your account. But when you use that forex keyword on a video in the VSL and then have a headline, a call to action, it has a less attention for the robot to identify it as an inappropriate keyword for Google Ads policies. So this was the funnel I used to put the results. So I would love you to test this one and also give me a feedback. Test this one, and then test this one, and get 3 of them. The most important thing here, we want to get quality. See, don't forget our goal. We want to get conversions, quality people who want to learn forex trading, and also who have passion for a skill that will teach them how to earn in dollars. So testing these 3 funnels is going to help you, and with this you don't, as I use this one to get the results. Funny enough, if you test 2 of them, this one might be the ones that will give you the results you want. So testing these funnels is very, very simple. Just duplicate the landing pages and create separate Google accounts for it, and then run your ads, and then track each CTA button will have a different URL, a different destination, custom message, so that I can track and know where all these leads are coming from, and then give it 14 days of test, and then host your webinar, host your class, or do whatever you want to do with the leads, and then check the conversion rate, and then come back, tweak, and then replicate, and then scale. So I use this strategy. So in the VSL video, he introduced himself, which is my client, introduced himself as an authority, then sell the training, introduce himself, pinpoint the problems that these people are having, which is, of course, poverty, low source of income, and all the rest of that. And then he now introduced the webinar, which is the life transformation that they are going to get if they should sign up for the training, meaning if they should click on the CTA button. And it got higher. It gave me a low CPL and higher conversion. Like I said, we generated over 50 leads with less than $50, less than $40, not even up to $50. And we're able to achieve these results because of the strategy I'm telling you. So we sold the CTA button in the video, and he mentioned forex trading as well. So these people are coming with the mindset that they are coming to learn forex trading, and is a skill that will teach them how to earn in dollars and also transform the current problem they're having, which is financial instability. So this is the funnel strategy. Then the ad copy strategy, I would love you to use AI. There is this AI I use, Gemini. So you can use this AI. You can use this AI, this Gemini AI. So come on Google, search Gemini.google.com. It's a Google AI specifically for Google ads, for Google advertisers. So use the Gemini AI for ad copies. So when your copywriter writes the ad copy, come and submit it on Gemini AI for them to reveal it, and then find out if it's against Google policy, and then you use it. Also in your copies, don't frequently use forex keyword. Yeah, make sure you obey this first thing. Make sure you obey this forex. You need to be smart, and don't play by the rules. So that's for the forex keyword. Now look at where it gave us the conversion, the sales is in the targeting, and that was why I opened this YouTube thing. So you come here, I just searched forex trading. So these are keyword people are searching for on Google. Nobody can type this keyword without an interest in what Google ads. So when they come here and search this keyword, it means that they want an interest in forex trading. It means they want to learn forex trading, but they don't know how to. They want to learn how to use metaphor. I'm trading forex. I'm a forex trader. So I can tell you that before I learned how to use this trading view you are seeing here, I came on Google to search for. I came on YouTube to search for it, and I saw ads. I don't even understand my point. I saw ads. So if you want to, imagine, I think I saw ads and I clicked on the ad as well. So why? Because The person that was running that ad used the keyword trading view. How to use trading view. This is thinking outside the box. No forex trader can function without MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, as you can see, and can also function without trading view and some other website applications that is very compulsory for forex trading. So when you combine this content together, you get the appropriate people that you need for your business. So this was where we did the magic. I did a very thorough research, keyword thorough research about forex trading generally in Google, using Google Ads Trend, using all the websites that I use for my targeting research. I combine all of them, and most of the most powerful is this one I'm teaching you. This one I'm showing you right here. Forex trading for beginners, forex trading beginners full course. Anyone that wants to learn forex trading is going to search this keyword, and they are going to, for Google to bring these keywords, it means this is the related keywords people are searching for on Google. So I copied all these keywords and created what I call a custom segment audience. If you want to create a custom segment audience, just come on the search bar and you see it. Just press custom. I created what? A custom segment audience, and what? That is my custom segment. I didn't want to make it public actually. So I created a custom segment audience based on that keyword, and I tested. So what does that mean? With the strategy framework we have been using from day one, I think I should write these things down. YouTube So you're going to be doing a YouTube keyword research on the keyword forex trading, and also do other research using Google Trends, etc. So when you do this, you get as many keywords as possible. Now use this keyword. I'm sharing what is very powerful. Use this keyword to go on Google Planner to know their search volumes. So use this keyword, go on Google Planner to know their search volumes. So when you know their search volumes, you create a custom segment audience with these keywords, minimum of 10 keywords per segment. Minimum of 10 keywords per segment. So when you create a custom segment with this keyword, minimum of 10 keywords per segment, and then you are good to go. You now launch your campaigns with these segments and now find what works. And this is what we did. I found out the segment that was giving me results for the forex industry after the strategy that I've told you. So the essence of these first 3 strategies is not to get banned, but where we give you the actual conversion is the targeting you did in the campaign. Because why do I say so? A non-entity can be out there and want to learn how to trade forex, but they don't have money, they don't have passion. Might want to learn how to earn in dollars. Remember, the major keyword we are using is how to earn in dollars, but they don't have money, they don't have passion, they just want to earn in dollars because it's just an interest. Of course, everybody loves money, do you understand? But if you are getting this kind of people in your funnel, you are not actually going to get the right people into the funnel. So, but when you now do a narrow targeting based on interest, based on behavior, I don't know if you understand, based on interactions users have had on Google, interactions like people searching for a specific keyword related to what you are promoting. And when people come here and search forex trading tutorial, they are interested in forex trading. And when they see your ads that says come and learn how to earn in dollars, of course it's related to forex trading, they are going to click on it. When they come to the funnel and see the VSL where you talked about the forex trading, a forex trading training that can transform their lives, and you have testimonials attached to it. We did that one as well, because of course we edited the VSL. There was testimonials of students that have attended the training, of course the VIP student of the clients, and all the rest of that. When they see this kind of thing, be like, wow, this is what I've been looking for. So instead of them coming to YouTube to learn anonymously, they prefer learning from you, they prefer registering for your webinar, and that's where you're going to sell them the whatever offer you want to sell them, and you get conversions. I don't know if you understand. So this is the strategy I used to get quality people on the funnel of these clients, and we achieved tremendous results, and so on. So this is the end of this video. Like I said, okay, I think I should just type my number here without even dropping it on the. I also tried to drop it. So if you want to learn more, you want to reach out to me, you can reach out to me. If you want to learn how to run Google Ads for yourself, of course, my name is James. This marketer, I think that's all people know me as mainly. So if you want to learn Forex trading, if you want to learn how to run Google Ads like a pro and how to get clients, I'll pay you $500, $300 every month just to manage the ads, just to do what I'm teaching you now. But of course, you must have an experience. Then reach out to me as well. I have a program that will teach you how to do that. Very, 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 very important. But then you already know how to run Google Ads, but you are getting lost, or you are losing clients, or you don't know how to get things around. I can offer you a done for you services or a one-on-one consultation, and we're going to fix every problem that you think you have, and we are going to get the actual result for you. Also, if you have a business and you love to advertise, also reach out to me with this my number, and this is my WhatsApp number, and then we'll talk and take it from there. So that's the end of this training. I hope you got value. If you do, share it to any advertiser out there who is struggling with low sales conversion or whatsoever. In my next video, I'll also be talking about, or I think just drop on the comment section what you think you're struggling with, and I'll record a video about it. Probably I think you might be struggling with getting high leads, getting rejected creatives, any other thing. Actually, just let me know in the comments, of this YouTube video, and I'll record a video specifically about it. So cheers.